Hello guys, welcome to Hardcoder. Today we are going to see the LeetCode daily challenge for the day 18th October 2022. Let's dive into the question. So, LeetCode 38 count and say. It's a medium level question. The problem statement is the count and say sequence is a sequence of digit strings defined by recursive formula. So, count and say is a recursive function with the formula like count and say of 1. When count and say has parameter passed as 1, the return string will be 1. And count and say of n is the way you say the digit string from count and say of n minus 1, which is then converted into a different string. To determine how you say a string digit, split it into minimal number of substrings such that each substring contains exactly one unique digit. Then for each substring, say the number of digits, then say the digit. Finally, concatenate every set digit. So for the given test case, that is 332221. So the what you need to do is, so in order to find the way in which we tell this number is, in order to group the every contiguous same numbers, and you need to find the count of the number followed by the number. So it's simple guys. Say okay, let's copy this. Let's dive into the approach. So so if this is a string, if this is a given number, what we need to do? So if we'll consider the case in which we need to say this number, so we'll group this, both the three digits, and these two digit will be grouped in, these two digits will be grouped into a single group, and this 5 will be considered as a single group, and 1 will be considered as another group. So you can clearly see that there are two threes in it. So we'll firstly add 2, and the number is 3, so it's 3. And in this group we can clearly see that there are three twos, so the count of digit is 3, and the group contains digit 2, so we'll add up 2 to it. This is the first group, second group, and there comes the third group. For third group you can clearly see that there is only 5, so the count of digits in the current group is 1 and the digit is 5, so we'll add up 5. And after that we are going to last group, so we can clearly see that there is only 1 and the digit is 1, so this will be written as the count and say of the given number. So we'll consider the test case where n is 4. So in order to find 4, so let's say the function as rec, which has parameter passed as 4, and it will be having a base condition, that is which is given in the question. So if n, this is n, so if n is equal to 1, this will be returning a string. We'll return 1, else we need to find the way in which we pronounce the n. So we can find it by let's say n is 4, we'll go to 3, we'll go to 1, and we'll go to 1 finally. So firstly we'll find the way to which we pronounce the digit, that is how we will pronounce the n minus 1, that is rec of 4 minus 1, that is 3. So in the given test case there is 4, so we need to find the way in which 3 is counted. So after finding this, well, let's say we are storing this into a reference s, and we will return the count and say of, let's say, CAS of S. That's it, guys. This is the recursive function which we are going to build up, and for this, for count and say, we'll consider this as a string. Count and say will be having a string. Let's say yes. So in this, we are going to group up every consecutive same digits one by one, and after finding the group, first we will create the string builder. Let's say SB. So it's SB. So in this, we create a new string builder, and we'll separate the distinct groups, and we'll first, for each group, we'll be calculating the number of occurrences, that is number of digits, and we'll add to the string builder. So if it is 2, we'll append the 2, that is count of, we'll take it in a text. So count of digits in the group followed by digit present in the group. This is the criteria for every group present in the given string. That's it, guys. This is the intuition behind this problem. So let's quickly dive into the coding section. There you will get a clear idea what we are going to do here. So let's dive into here. So the base condition is if n is 1, will return string as 1. So else the same condition which is given in the question. So for other numbers, we'll find the count and say of n minus 1. So let's say yes will be count and say of n minus 1. So finally we'll return the count and say of, so we'll first say a helper function of say yes. So what we'll do in yes, so in helper function, we'll firstly count divide the given passed string into groups, and we'll come up with the approach. So let's quickly look at that. So string helper, which is getting as string as parameter. Firstly, we'll create a string builder, and firstly let's consider the current character. Let's say current digit as at 0. First digit will be considered as a current digit, and we'll keep a count variable as 1. That is, we are counting the current digit, and we are indexing I to 1, and we'll iterate over the string until the end of the string, the index is meeting the end of the string. So if let's take the if the character at ith index is current digit, we'll simply increment the count and we'll continue. So we'll leave it as it is. Else we'll append the count to the string builder, and we'll append the current digit to the string builder, and we'll update the current digit to current character, this character at ith index, and count will be will change to 1. And finally, we'll increment the high pointer. So finally, we need to add the last group into the string builder. So we'll append the count and the groups digit. So that is current digit, and we'll return the string conversion of string from string builder. So check it. Yeah, it's working fine. So submit it up. Yeah, it's getting accepted. It's 93% fast. It's pretty faster. So the time complexity for this approach is we go of n into, let's say, the longest length of the formed string. That is the longest length of the string that is written from the count and shell, and space complexity is v of, let's say, n, since it's a stack space, it will be going from n to 1, so we are considered as n. And the approach for this problem is recursion. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great time. Thank you.